So this is platform 7 in Grand Central Station in Belfast, following the offset blister tactile at the platform edge. There's a railing on the right hand side and with a tap rail, and the offset blister diverges now into a 5-line tactile with a junction, and Navilens codes have been installed. So this is platform 8 and 7 leading to a 5-line tactile which diverges then at a junction, and the 5-line tactile at the junction will meet other junctions. So this one here is for platforms 5 and 6. Sweeping the cane over the 5-line tactile, it's like metal tactile. It'll reach another junction shortly. That's got Navilens codes. That's for platforms 3 and 4. Following the 5-line tactile, underfoot, sweeping the cane left and right, we have another junction with tactile and an Navilens code, and that's for platforms 1 and 2. So I go back on the junction, it reads another junction, go to the right and follow the 5-line tactile. It'll bring us through the accessible barrier, and we're just coming through now. Guys, thanks for your help today.
Right, no problem.
Yeah. Oh, here it is now. It's top class, fair play. So underfoot diverges to the left for the first of the Grosvenor Road exits. If I follow it back, and there'll be another junction, and following, so the 5-line tactile underfoot diverges to the second Grosvenor Road exit and come back, and the 5-line tactile now, it's underfoot, and we're going over to the customer service desk, and that's on the right, and going ahead now, that's bus bay number 1. Straight ahead it's rubber tactile. Some Navilens codes have been installed on the ground, and bus bay number 2, bus bay number 3, and bus bay 4, and another junction, bus bay 5, bus bay 6, bus bay 7, bus bay 8 on the left, bus bay 9, bus bay 10 on the left, bus bay 11 on the left, bus bay 12 on the left, bus bay 13. But on the right here is the customer service desk, so I can follow that line and it'll bring me to the customer service desk. And if I follow it back, which is beside bus bay 13, it brings me back to a tactile on the right. On the left is bus bay 14. And on the right here, before bus bay 15, is tactile that leads to the toilets.